If you're an investor like me, you look and research into markets across the entire country to figure out where opportunities are arising. One of the most thriving cities in the United States right now is Nashville, Tennessee. Known as the Music City, Nashville is much more than its iconic country music scene. It's a thriving metropolis with a rich cultural tapestry, boasting a diverse economy powered by healthcare, technology, and manufacturing giants. From its bustling downtown culture to its serene parks and vibrant neighborhoods, Nashville offers a unique blend of excitement and comfort. Today, we're diving deep into why Nashville is the ultimate thriving real estate market. Whether you're an investor, a home buyer, or just curious about the hottest housing markets, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what makes Nashville such a standout city in the real estate world, and why it's poised to continue growing into the years to come. Let's kick things off by looking at Nashville's strong economic growth. The city's economy is incredibly diverse, driven by powerhouse industries like healthcare, music and entertainment, technology, and manufacturing. Major companies like HCA Healthcare, Nissan, and Amazon have established significant operations here, creating a wealth of job opportunities. This vibrant job market is not only attracting professionals from all over the country, but also fostering a climate of innovation and entrepreneurship. With such a robust economic foundation, Nashville is well equipped to support a growing population, which in turn fuels demand for real estate. The shared relationship between job growth and real estate demand creates a cycle of prosperity that benefits both residents and investors. This thriving job market has attracted a steady influx of new residents, which in turn fuels demand for housing and commercial properties. More opportunity means more jobs, which means more people, and more people means a stronger housing market. It's a cycle of growth that keeps building momentum. This brings us to our next point, population growth. Nashville's population has been surging, driven by those job opportunities, a lower cost of living, and an excellent quality of life. People are moving here not only for work, but for the lifestyle, the vibrant cultural scene, the welcoming community, and the overall livability. As more people move to the city, the demand for housing continues to rise. This population influx is a testament to Nashville's appeal as a place to live, work, and play. Whether it's young professionals looking for career opportunities, families looking for a new environment, or retirees wanting to enjoy a lively yet affordable city, Nashville attracts a diverse range of residents. This rise of new residents has a direct impact on the real estate market, increasing the need for both rental properties and homes for sale. Nashville's growing population is one of the key factors driving its real estate market forward. Despite rising home prices, Nashville remains relatively affordable compared to other major metropolitan areas, especially on the East Coast. This affordability makes it an attractive destination for both home buyers and investors. Even as the city grows and develops, it has managed to maintain a balance between modern amenities and cost-effective living options. For many, this means being able to purchase a larger home or living closer to the city center without breaking the bank. This affordability not only attracts new residents, but also encourages long-term investment, as properties in Nashville offer great value for the money. The city's affordability, combined with its strong economic fundamentals, creates a compelling case for both first-time homebuyers and seasoned investors looking to maximize their returns. People looking for more bang for the buck find Nashville appealing, leading to increased demand and a competitive market where properties often appreciate in value. Nashville's vibrant urban culture is another major draw. The city's renowned music scene, lively downtown area, and rich cultural offerings make it a desirable place to live, especially for younger professionals and families. The city is home to a plethora of music venues, art galleries, and cultural festivals that keep the energy high and the community engaged. From the historic Ryman Auditorium to the inclusive neighborhoods of East Nashville, there's always something happening in this dynamic city. This urban appeal drives demand for housing in and around the city center, making Nashville's real estate market even hotter. The combination of cultural vibrancy, entertainment options, and a close-knit community feel makes Nashville a magnet for those seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. This cultural richness not only enhances the quality of life for residents, but also adds to the city's overall allure as a top real estate market. Nashville's pro-business environment is also a significant factor on why it's such an opportunistic market. With low taxes, strategic location, and supportive policies, the city attracts numerous companies and entrepreneurs, further boosting the local economy and job market. The city's commitment to fostering a business-friendly climate has led to the establishment of numerous startups, tech hubs, and corporate headquarters, creating a diverse economic landscape. This business-friendly climate not only creates more jobs, but also encourages investment in commercial real estate, contributing to the overall market strength. The influx of businesses translates to more employment opportunities, which in turn attracts a talented workforce. This cycle of growth and prosperity is a key reason why Nashville continues to thrive as a real estate hotspot. Investors are drawn to Nashville's potential for sustained economic growth, making it a prime destination for both commercial and residential real estate investors. Nashville has been investing heavily in infrastructure projects, from transportation improvements to community development initiatives, making the city even more livable and appealing to potential residents. Major projects like the expansion of the public transit system, the development of new green spaces, and the revitalization of key urban areas are transforming Nashville into a more connected and sustainable city. Improved infrastructure not only boosts quality of life, but also supports property value growth, making Nashville an even more attractive market for real estate investment. These investments signal the city's commitment to future growth and development, ensuring that it remains a top choice for both residents and investors. As Nashville continues to expand and modernize, the benefits of these infrastructure projects will be felt for years to come, reinforcing its position as a leading real estate market. From strong economic growth and population surges to affordability, vibrant culture, a business-friendly environment, and significant infrastructure investments, Nashville has all the ingredients for sustained real estate success. The city's unique combination of economic vitality, cultural richness, and strategic growth initiatives make it a standout destination for anyone looking to invest in real estate. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Nashville's booming real estate market. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from this information. My name is Stephen Gage, and I'm the president of Vision Commercial Development. We're a team of real estate investment experts who analyze and look for opportunities across the United States. If you're interested in commercial real estate investing and don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who'd like to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with the team today, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun investment opportunities that we might be able to work on together. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.